Oh, hey there. Welcome again to my channel. So there's a subscriber who left me a lovely comment the other day, and I'd like to read it to you because even though I always do this, she kind of pointed it out to me and I kind of like reflected upon it. So she said, okay, it's by Ms. Lee. She said, "You inspire me to be happy in all surroundings. I dislike moving until it is complete. Then I look back and am grateful for the change. You always make every space your own for the time you occupy it. A free spirit. I love it." So I said that her comment really made my day, because it did. And then I kind of, just looked at it and said, it's very important to personalize and feel comfortable and happy in your space, no matter how temporary. Life is too short to not be happy in all your surroundings, even if you're unsure about the future. Okay, so basically, my life is in flux right now, and it does get really difficult emotionally because I'm kind of tired of moving around all the time, but it's almost like I can't help myself. It's just in my nature. And everyone that meets me does say I'm truly like a free spirit. I can't be tied down anywhere, but at the same time, I like stability, but it's almost like I'm unable to be stable right now. I don't know what it is yet. I just haven't found my groundings yet. I don't know. But yeah, regardless of how temporary my home is or where I am, where I'm renting a room, I need to make it beautiful and to make it my own. And I think that's important for anyone, because you can't just put your comfort and your surroundings on hold just because you haven't found your forever home of where you're going to settle for the rest of your life. I mean, you may not even settle in one place for the rest of your life. It just depends on you. But regardless, I think it's really, really important because it affects your mood. It affects your everyday take on things. If you're uncomfortable and not relaxed and not at peace at home, you're going to be on edge throughout your whole day. Someone very close to me has been in a state of like moving for a year. That person didn't like where they were living, and it's almost like they were constantly in a state of unpacking. So there was shit everywhere, boxes all over the place, really disorganized, cluttered, and it's not a relaxing or calm atmosphere when you're surrounded by chaos. I feel like mess is the visual interpretation of mental chaos. And every time that person comes to my place, they always comment on how relaxing and peaceful and lovely my room is. And I'm like, you can make that for yourself. That's a choice. It just takes, okay, I had a lot of shit, so it took me the whole day. It took me like 8-9 hours. But that's 8-9 hours to ensure your comfort every day for how long you're staying. It's worth it than just waking up to just, mental chaos and having all the stuff everywhere, and your floor is full of stuff, and it's just mess, and it's not very settling for your mind. It's really, really crucial, I feel, for your mental mind, your peace of mind, for your environment to be peaceful and clean, tidy, calm. You can focus on things more, and your home, regardless of how temporary, is still your home. This is still a room that I'm renting, so it's mine for now, and I need to make it as comfortable and beautiful. Whatever it is that makes you feel relaxed, that's what you should be doing. So anyway, I hope you enjoy my room tour. I've been here for 4 or 5 nights, under a week now, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying my 100% organic sheets and duvet cover, my new Lucid mattress, my platform bed. I have 6 pieces of furniture now. Bed and bed frame can always be replaced unless it's custom made, but these two things I don't have a problem like getting rid of if I need to. But these pieces of furniture I found like at Ross, and you know, when you find stuff at Ross, TJ Maxx, you're probably never going to find them again. They're usually like rare pieces or from some boutique shops somewhere, because everything gets imported there. But I definitely want to keep my beautiful stick lamp. I just love it so much, and the ambience it gives off at night really relaxes me. My shelf and my new night table, my gorgeous clock. This is the first clock I've ever purchased. I love it. We put a battery in it last night. It matches my bed frame. And I don't know, I always thought I would have like white everything, white room, and maybe I will one day, but right now I'm enjoying this. Like, I feel like I'm going towards earthy kind of colors right now, which is fine, but it's still bright and open. So anyway, enjoy your day, wishing you a land. I hope you enjoy my room tour. Bye-bye. Mwah. Hey everyone, I finally finished everything today. It's about 10:30 p.m. and I've been unpacking since like 3 p.m. So like 9 hours. So when you come in, you have all my lighting. I really love candles. They really keep me happy. This is gorgeous. It's like gold on the inside. I have a, what is it called? Bloom and Prosper candle in there. I love that company. I've got my picture frame. I've got another candle holder there. I've got my tea light holder from India. I have my oil diffuser, which is just water right now, just to hydrate my orchid right there, who's doing really well. And a candle. Here's my favorite stick lamp ever. I just love the lighting. Let me turn it down so you can see what it looks like. So that's what my room looks like when it's dark. Over here, I haven't really done much. I literally just finished unpacking. My floor was just covered in bin liners and suitcases and bags. It was just horrible. I can actually walk around my room. In this corner, I put my lovely pink chair that you've seen many times. And I got this today. This is a new night table because I was using that one because my bed was a lot higher at my other place. And this platform bed is quite low to the ground, which I love. I love low beds. So I needed a new night table that suited the height. And I saw this one at Ross and thought it was perfect. And here you see my Bloom and Prosper candle, which is a cranberry cider and sparkle. It smells so good, kind of like Christmas. And I've got my tea light in there, and then I have this new clock which absolutely matches my bed frame. Let me turn up the light so you guys can see my new clock. I've never actually purchased a clock before, but look, it's perfect. And then over here I've got my backpack, my laptop holder, some makeup stuff, and my toiletries and makeup all in here. So that's where I'll get ready in the morning. Got my cloth and canopy duvet cover. It's actually inside out because I got some makeup on the other side, so I just flipped it until I can wash it again. I have this amazing bed desk that I just purchased at Ross for like so cheap. It was like $14.99, and there's like this ridge here where you can put your laptop or your books. Adjustable lap desk, and it's got this cool feature. Just let me take this. So when you're like reading and stuff like that and you don't want to like be hunched over, there's a setting where you can put it up like that, And there's different settings. There's 4 settings. So the highest one would be this one. Or playing music or whatever. And then there's, you know, you can adjust it 4 different angles, which is great. That's a lovely TV, just gorgeous TV that my friend and roommate left in my room. He says I'm free to use it. I don't watch that much TV, but he's so sweet for him to offer. There's Hulu and Netflix and stuff, so I'll probably take advantage of that later on. But that's it. That's my new room. I'll probably do another tour when I've really settled in, but I literally just unpacked everything today and just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I've kind of set it up like a hotel, and I really like this platform bed with the actual panels on the side, because I can put stuff on it. I put my phone on it and it's just kind of nice. And that's it, and I hope you enjoyed. And here is my bathroom. There I am. Here's my dracaena. And I love how I've got the granite countertops and I'm able to put both of my mirror trays here. There's my flickering, crackling candle. Showers there. And then, love that, my lantern, my lantern nightlight. And then over here, I've got my dracaena here, which is nice. This is a cool lamp because this one's from IKEA. This turns off as there's enough light. It's LED and solar powered, so no plugs or anything. I love it. And this is what my room looks like in the daytime. I put those string lights up, it looks so good at nighttime. Did that last night. And I put a battery in my clock so it's working. And I kind of tuck the corners in so the platform like edges show like that. There's my bed desk, I love it. So my boyfriend was over last night and he's like, I prefer a desk that I can put on the floor and then sit at the edge of my bed. And I'm like, okay, and that's perfect because I actually saw one at Ross, so I'm gonna go get that for him today. Part of his birthday present. Closet, I'm still organizing, as you can see. But I've managed to put a lot of stuff away. I seem to wear all the same colours lately, like a lot of baby pinks and baby blues. I love it for the summer. I just have like candles here for now. Not too much. Got my shoes. I love these. I actually got these from Rainbow. They're quite comfy. I want to get them in other colours as well. They come in red, really fluorescent, like neon yellow, and like a royal blue. I think I want them in all the colours. My shoes. I really like my Keds. They're so comfy. I like the grey ones, how they have like a grey hole right there, like the rim instead of silver, and then there's this grey stripe. Those are my Converse. I really need an organizational drawer for my bra. Like, this isn't cutting it. These are like layers and rows upon rows, and they're just all stuffed. And my underwear as well. I like these IKEA things, but they're not big enough. I think I have to buy some like proper underwear organizational drawers. I love my tops. They're so cute. Got that hanging organizer as well. But my closet's pretty roomy. I do love it.